It'll be fine, mate, it'll be fine. It's just... Don't take your boots out. You only need a little bit to sit these down. Was it? Yeah.
Will that be alright?
That'll be spot on. I mean, that's everything, yeah.
Tools.
You don't need that, right?
Tools for...
Yeah,
or...
Yeah, so yeah, so you need to have either Connor recording you or you recording Connor getting there down. So he's going to do that one, which is just mainly oxy-fuel. Because he's shown on that one. There still needs to be better, but you're also shown the material, yeah.
When we go to show my face on like that, that'll be alright.
No, just keep your cameras down,
I'll
mate.
my face hand on the body.
Alright, now then, Jack. What's happening there?
You've got some notes, actually.
Yeah, it's already on. Get these done then, because once you've got them filmed, we'll go to, we'll go to your last thing, get them uploaded and sped up, and put a bit of kink music on, you know what I mean? Set them out for the watcher.
What, do you not put music on?
Hey?
Do you not put music on?
You have to.
Do you not host it?
No.
How did you do it?
No, you do, yeah, it's on the editing section.
Can I divide this up into like 4 bits so it's not like all over the place?
Well, it can be quite sporadic, it doesn't have to be spot on, you know what I mean? All you want on the actual film though is just the whiteboard itself, yeah? If you can. So like zoom in.
I'm actually taking photos, so I never want to join.
The lighting's pretty bad there.
It's not that bad.
Is it really?
Well, there's actually like
the sound guy.
Like sitting in a reflection, you can see that.
Can't this one.
Just are you going to do it like that? Like hold it up yourself and do it?
No, that's solid.
So it's going around. Just come up the side like that. You hold it here. Like that, you can just see it over there. Like that. That's not far. You can just right underneath it.
It zooms in so much when you put it on video.
So what was the video should only take out about maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes to draw?
This is weird, I'm seeing too.
This is the way it draws.